रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर वतम्मिम बिल खैर वबिका नस्तईन या फ़त्ताह या अलीम या रब्बुल आलमीन। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to take the lecture of computer. It's a lecture about computer of class 7 and the lecture is based on chapter number 1. Today we will discuss basic concepts of this chapter. First of all, I am going to tell you about hardware. Hardware. All you know that computer has a physical element, physical parts, like those parts that we can touch, although those parts can be keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, headphones, graphic table, speaker, printer, monitor, like CPU on itself, and also storage devices. These are all called hardware of computer. Okay, input devices and internal parts of computer. The storage devices are the included in input devices, so these are also called hardware devices. And internal parts of computer are motherboard, RAM, room. These parts we can also touch though with our hand. It's an example, like आपने देखा होगा that when we open our computer or we open our laptop uh, for the query, for the हमने ठीक करवाना हो, when we open it, there you can see the motherboard, the big fan, the RAM, the room. Those parts you can touch though. Those parts called hardware. The next thing I'm going to discuss here is software. Software is computer's internal program. Although when you turn on your computer, the starting part, आप जो भी काम करते हो, program, these called program instruct computer tasks. Program, when we put instruction to the computer, it complete the task though. The task complete through the program. It is called software. All the things that we use in the computer, that these are called programs though software. The fifth things I'm going to share with you is CPU. CPU is central processing unit. What is central processing unit? The central processing unit is the main PC, the main unit. Although the human body have a brain, okay, then computer have its brain. CPU is the brain of computer. Although all the instruction, all the things done by with CPU. Arithmetic, CPU has three basic things. The first thing is a basic thing that we can learn all the arithmetic unit, like all the subtraction, addition, multiplication, division. Now all the new programming calculator is included in the computer. We can learn all the things though CPU, though computer. These things are done by CPU. Arithmetic unit is when we are calculating in computer. The second thing I want to share is logic unit. We compare things, we mash things, we select, like I'm going to select this thing. We are selecting. These things are included in logic unit. The third and most important thing of CPU is control unit. CPU control all the things in the computer, all the programs, all, like, I'm going to roll out this mouse, right? CPU is controlling it. Okay, this is a minor thing I'm going to share with you. And when I scroll down my computer or scroll up, this is a minor thing. CPU is controlling it. The fifth thing is RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory. Basically, RAM stands for random access memory. It is the memory that we can write though. We can write though, but and it's stored though when we writing on it, when we read or write on it, it's stored though. But when the CPU is turned off, the data, written or reading, the written or reading we are writing on or reading on, the data will be no more. Means it's erased. Okay, the example is caches, DRAM, SRAM. SRAM is stand for static RAM, then DRAM is dynamic RAM, and caches. Caches is type of L1, L2, L3. Those I will share in the during lectures, inshallah ta'ala. Next, the ROM. ROM is read only memory. The memory that we can read only, but we can't write on it. But the programmers can write on it. Programmers can read it, write it, erase it. Sometimes we open the windows. Sometimes we open it. There you can see the huge program, but you can't edit it because you don't know the whole now, who know how, like nothing of the program right now, because your stage is starting. You are just introducing yourself. The computer, what is computer? This is basic. The things you are going on, or you are studying on, this is based on what is computer. But when will, inshallah, you go through these all, and you will get the skills, you will, inshallah, though you can understand what is programming or what is programmer. Jazakallahu khair. Today this is all I want to share. And take care of yourself, take care of your family members, take care of homies, your friends, by wearing mask, by washing your hand, and fi amanillah. Allah Hafiz.